Today I am going to take a lecture of operation research, chapter number 5th game theory, and our method is the algebraic method. In our previous lecture, we have already seen in the graphical method. So graphical method is always used for 2 by n matrix or m by 2 matrix. That means if a row is 2, so column is more than 2, or the row is more than 2, so column is 2. Okay, so this is the algebraic method. This method is very lengthy, but something different in according to this algebraic method. So this is the 3 by 3 matrix, and here the player B and the player A. So player A has the 3 strategies: first, second, third, and the player B has the 3 strategies: first, second, and third. Okay, so first we write here according to player A, we write here the P1, P2 and P3. That is the probability P1, probability P2, probability P3 for the A player for strategy first, second and third. And here we write the Q1, Q2 and Q3 for the probability of player B with strategy first, second and third. Okay, so first we write the P1, P2 and P3, and after that here we write the Q1, Q2 and Q3. So let's start our solution. First one is we mark the 3 equations according to A player. Okay, so for A player, first we multiply 3, we find the 3 equations, that is 3P1 plus minus 3P2 plus minus 1P3. That means we write here 3P1 minus 3P2 minus 1P3. This is our first equation. Okay. Second equation is 4P1 0P2 and minus 4P3. This is our second equation. Okay. Third one is the minus 2P1 plus 1P2 plus 2P3. So this is our third equation. Okay. Next step is we write here equation 1 is equal to equation 2. Okay. That means we write here 3P1 minus 3P2 minus 1P3 is equal to, second equation is what? 4P1 plus 0P2 minus 4P3. Okay, so first you take here all these values right hand side, to take here the left hand side. So here 3P1 minus 4P1, that means minus P1, okay, minus 3P2 plus 0P2, that means minus 0P2. So here we write the as it is minus 3P2 minus 1P3 plus 4P3, that is plus 3P3. So this is our fourth equation. Okay, next one is we consider 1 equal to 3. That means first equation is equal to third equation. Okay, so we write here first equation 3P1 plus minus 3P2 minus 1P3 is equal to, third equation is what? Third equation is minus 2P1 plus 1P2 plus 2P3. Okay, so here again these terms you take here the left hand side. So 3P1 here minus 2P1. So in the left hand side this minus sign is converted into the positive sign. So 3P1 plus 2P1, that means here we write the 5P1. Okay, minus 3P2 and here minus P2, that means minus 4P2. And third one is the minus P3 and here 2P3. So here we get so minus 3P3. That means this is your fifth equation. Okay, that means first we use the P1, P2, P3 for the player A. So we write here the 3 equations 3p1 minus 3p2 minus p3, 4p1 0p2 minus 4p3 and minus 2p1 plus p2 plus 2p3. Okay, so we write here the three equations. After that, we write here equation 1 is equal to equation 2. So we write here first equation and the second equation and arrange this equation and we get the equation 4. Next one is we write here the equation 1 is equal to equation 3. Okay, so here we write here first equation and here the third equation. So write here 5p1 minus 4p2 minus 3p2. Okay, so here the fourth and fifth equations we consider here a1 and a2. That is the coefficient of p1 for equation 4a1. This value is a2. This value is b1. This value is b2. Got it? This value is b3 and this value is this value is c1 and this value is c2. Okay, so here there is one formula, so always keep in mind the trick of the formula is B, C, A, B. Okay, so always keep in mind this formula. This is very tricky formula. You write here B, C, A, B. Okay, and here you write B1 divided by B2, C1 divided by C2, A1 divided by A2, and B1 divided by B2. Okay, after that you write here the values. Okay, so B1 is equal to minus 3 and B2 is equal to minus 4. So we write here minus 3 divided by minus 4. Second one is C1 by C2. So C1 is equal to 3 and C2 is equal to minus 3. So we write here 3 divided by minus 3. Don't cancel here the minus sign. Okay. Next one is the A1 divided by A2. So A1 minus 1 and A2 5. Okay. So we write here minus 1 by 5. And B1, B2 we write here the as it is. So here we write the minus 3 and minus 4. Okay, so here we write the value of this is very pretty. This is a trick for always keep in mind this formula. So here we put all these values. Okay, so next step is what? Next step you multiply minus 3 into minus 3 minus 4 into 3 and we write here this term. Okay, so here we write the P1 because of we use the P1, P2, P3 for finding the equation. So P1 divided by 3 3 are 9, that means plus 9 minus 4 into 3, that means minus 12. Got it? Here again this multiplication and this multiplication. So we write here P2 divided by 3 5 are 15 minus 3 into minus 1, that means plus 3. Got it? Next one is the P3. So P3 divided by, that means here, so minus 1 into minus 4, that means plus 4. Okay, so we write here plus 4 minus 5 into minus 3, that means minus 15. So we write here minus 15. Okay, so here solve this step in a simple form. So 9 plus 12, that means 21. P2 divided by 15 minus 3, that means 12. Okay, and P3 divided by minus plus, that means 15 plus 4 is equal to what? Is equal to 19. Okay, so we write here the 19. Got it? So the probability is what? P1, P2, P3, the value of the P1, P2, P3 is what? So you write here 21 plus 12 plus 19 is equal to what? So, and 52. Okay, this is the 52 value. Got it? So the probability of P1 is equal to 21 by 52. Okay, probability of P2 is equal to 12 by 52. Okay, and the probability of P3 is equal to 19 by 52. Okay, so this is very easy process, but some important tricks, so you always keep in mind. So we write the P1, P2, P3 value according to this. So P1 is equal to 21 upon 52, P2 is equal to 12 upon 52, and P3 is equal to 19 upon 52. Okay, so same process we for finding the Q1, Q2 and Q3. Okay, and after that there is one formula, that means there is we can't say that there is a formula, there is again some trick for finding the value of GAN with the help of algebraic method. So we find Q1, Q2, Q3. So same process for finding the Q1, Q2 and Q3. So for finding the Q1, Q2, Q3, we use the same process but according to player B. So we write here 3Q1 plus 4Q2 minus 2Q3. This is the first equation. Minus 3P1 plus 0 into Q2 plus 1 into Q3. So this is our second equation. Third is minus 1Q1 plus minus 4Q2 plus 2Q3. So we write here minus 1Q1 minus 4Q2 plus 2Q3, and write here the equation number 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Next step is what? Next step is we consider equation 1 is equal to equation 2. So we write here 3Q1 plus 4Q2 minus 2Q3. This is equation number 1 is equal to minus 3Q1 plus 0Q2 plus 1Q3. This is equation number 2. So just like we finding the P1, P2, P3, we take this equation into the left hand side. So we get the 6Q1 plus 4Q2 minus 3Q3. This is our fourth equation. Okay. Next is we consider equation number 1 is equal to equation number 3. Okay. So first we write the equation number 1, 3Q1 plus 4Q2 minus 2Q3. Okay, is equal to equation number 3. Equation number 3 is minus 1Q1 minus 4Q2 plus 2Q3. Okay, so arrange these equations and we get the 4Q1 plus 8Q2 minus 4Q3. This is our fifth equation. After that, we write here in the fourth equation, first term is A1. So here the first term is A2. In the fifth equation, here first Q2 coefficient is B1. So in the fifth equation, Q2 coefficient is B2. In the fourth equation, Q3 coefficient is C1. So in the fifth equation, Q3 coefficient is C2. Okay, and this is again the tricky formula for B, C, A, B. So we write here B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2, A1 upon A2 and B1 upon B2. Okay. After that we write the value. So B1 upon B2, that means this is the B1 and B2. So 4 by 8. So we write here 4 by 8. C1 upon C2, that means minus 3 divided by minus 4. So we write here minus 3 divided by minus 4. Next one is A1 upon A2. So 6 upon 4. So we write here 6 upon 4. And the last is again B1 upon B2. So we write here 4 upon 8. We write here as it is 4 upon 8. Okay. After that, we write the Q1 divided by. So multiply 4 into minus 4 minus 8 into minus 3. So minus 16 minus 24. Next one is the Q2. So Q2 divided by minus 3 into 4. That means minus 12 minus 4 into 6. That means minus 4 into 6. We write here. Okay. Next one is the Q3. So Q3 is equal to 6 into 8 minus 4 into 4. So we write here 16. Okay. So simplify this state. So Q1 divided by 8, Q2 divided by 12 and Q3 divided by 32. So what is the value of Q1, Q2 and Q3? So here we write 8 plus 12 plus 32 is equal to 52. ठीक है, okay, so 8 plus 12 plus 32 is equal to 52. So value of Q1 is equal to 8 by 52. Value of Q2 is equal to 12 by 52 and value of Q3 is equal to 32 by 52. Okay, so we get the value of P1, P2, P3 and the value of Q1, Q2, Q3. So for finding the value of gain, V is equal to only one formula for the value of gain and we get our final answer. Okay, so here we write the value of Q1, Q2 and Q3. So value of Q1 is equal to 8 by 52. Value of Q2 is equal to 12 by 52 and value of Q3 is equal to 32 by 52. Okay, so the formula of the value of gain is equal to P1 into 3 into Q1. Okay, P1 into 3 into Q1 plus P1 into 4 into Q2. Okay, plus P1 into minus 2 into Q3. Okay, next is plus P2 into minus 3 into Q1. Okay, P2 into 0 into Q2. Okay, and next is P2 into 1 into Q3. Okay, and the last is P3, this P3 into minus 1 into Q1. Okay, plus P3 into minus 4 into Q2. Okay, plus P3 into 2 into Q3. Okay, so this is the formula of the value of gain by 3 matrix according to algebraic method. So you put here the P1, P2, P3, Q1, Q2, Q3, all these values put in this formula and after you finding the final value of gain. Okay, so this is the final answer. Final answer, that means we put here the value of P1, Q1, P1, Q2, P1, Q3, P2, Q1, P2, Q2 and P2, Q3 and last is P3, Q1, P3, Q2 and P3, Q3 and after solving this equation we get the final answer for the value of gain according to this 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so this is the algebraic method for finding the 3 by 3 matrix. So thank you for watching this video.